I see you too, little fucker. Hey, how you doing? Hey, little alligator, whatever you is. Hey, boo. Hey. Come here. Come here. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Come here. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come here. You want to be my friend? Huh? Oh, you shaking your head. No, I know you want to eat me. Mm-hmm. Oh. You want to be my friend? No? Oh, why you don't want to be my friend? I want to be your friend. I'm nice, I think. I got a slick ass mouth sometimes, but I'm nice. You ain't slick. Come here. Come, my little friend. Come here, my little friend. Come on, you're almost here. Come on. Come here. Come on. So, are you from around these parts? You a youngin'. Where's your parents at? Boy, girl, it. Hello. Hello. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. He's getting closer. We're out here in the wild, and it's getting closer. Come on, little dude. You know you want to be my friend. I want to be your friend. To the end. Oh, so you don't. So you just going to swim away from me like that? Or you want to get closer? Oh, you want to get closer, huh? That's cool. Come on. Yeah, I see you looking. Come on. Come on, my little friend. I'll be your friend to the end. Adio. Come here. Come. God is speaking. She said, come near. Come closer. Let me whisper in your ear. I have a few secrets I want to tell you. Just come a little closer. You can't hear me from there. You must come closer. Come closer. Come closer, little man. Oh, looky there. There's a bee. He's trying to land on your nostril. Come closer, little man. Little one, because I don't know if you're a girl or boy. So come closer, little one. Come closer. Hi. Tell him to get off your nose. Come, you're being nosy, but it's okay. Me too. You're really small, gent, aren't ya? You're a really small gent. I was out here to watch the eclipse, and you just so happened to swimmeth by. And I, being the god that I am, I had to stop you and tell you you are beautiful. Yes, you are. You're amazing. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yes, I am. What's your name? You want to tell me your name? Huh? You're just looking like you want to see me go. You don't get company around here very much, do you? I know. You're a water dinosaur. But you're not aggressive unless someone bothers you. Watch out for the stick. It's not me touching you. No. You're a gator. Of course you are. So how's the fish in there? Do you eat a lot? Have you ever been a human? Would you like to bite a human? You should never bite a human. I'm so serious. You should never bite a human. Never. Okay, I'm going for a minute.